Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see apartment PHP. This is a studio apartment located on the top floor of the building. Let's go out inside. On your right hand side is your galley style kitchen with your microwave, your dishwasher, your electric oven and range, and refrigerator. On inside, you'll have a nice large hall closet. Into the living space. This is an example of an unfurnished apartment. You can bring all your own things and arrange them however you want. Another unique feature of this building is the nice high ceilings with tall windows that lets in lots of natural light in this north-facing apartment. The unit is air conditioned and has a heating element. Another unique feature of this building is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Finishing up in the bathroom. A nice large bathroom with a full shower and tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of apartment PHP. Call us today for availability.